kami. Inabot na kami ng buong maghapon dito. Ay ko, uwi na kami talaga kasi nahuhulog na ang pantalon ko. Naluluslus. Ewan ko, baka pumapayat ako o kaya lumuluwang yung aking pantalon. Hello my friends! Good morning! It's a beautiful day today. Lalabas po kami ngayon. It's the first day of spring. Yay! It's the first day of spring. The much awaited season of the year. And lalabas po kami mag-walking to enjoy and to have a very memorable first day of spring. See you around. My friends, ang sabi ko po kanina mag-walking kami, pero bakit nakasakay kami? May pupuntahan lang po tayo sandali and then we'll go walking. Ito, papunta yun sa subway. Ito, Lawrence Avenue. Ayun, may nakita tayong subway. For very wonderful weather. Ito po, dati po, pag ganitong winter, puro puti po ito, punong-puno, nababalutan ng snow. Pero as the weeks, as the days go by, nagme-melt na po yung mga snow. And maganda na naman po ang kapaligiran. Magiging happy. And today is the first day of spring, March 21, 2021. Here is Shepherd Avenue West. Ito na naman po isang subway. Dito po sa Canada, there's always every intersection sa bawat lugar. At bawat address po, malalaman mo lang kung saan ang address pag i-mention na rin ang intersection. So this is the intersection of Shepherd and ano ito?
Allen Road.
Shepherd and Allen Road. So pasyal lang po muna tayo ng konti bago tayo mag-walking. Ito po yung kahabaan ng papuntang 401. Ito po yung kahabaan naman ng Wilson Heights. Mag-exit ito sa Wilson Heights. Ito po naman ang kahabaan ng mukha ng asawa ko. So, nandito na po kami. Yan, maganda po mag-biking, mag-jogging, mag-walking. Madami ng mga tao madaan. Hello.
Hi.
Ito, yan, paakyat ka sa hill na yan, sa road na yan. It's a really beautiful place to unwind, to relax. Marami ng tao. Nag-exercise, naglalaro na ng mga bola. And it's just the first day of spring, so wala pang masyadong leaves ang mga trees, pero soon. So really, it's really a nice weather to walk. Very, very nice weather. Maganda ang weather. With very nice. Hello. Nag-cute din also na kayo dyan. There's by the bridge. Hello. Ito ang ganda-ganda po dito during spring o summer. Ganda-ganda rito pag spring o summer. Ngayon medyo wala pang masyadong laman. I mean, hindi pa siya masyadong maganda pati yung surroundings dahil wala pang masyadong halaman. Okay, Jan? Ito naman po yung lake. Pag spring, summer, at saka autumn or fall, ang ganda-ganda po rito. Ngayon dahil katatapos lang ng winter, medyo pangit-pangit pa. Pero pasyal ulit kami rito during summer. Tingnan nyo, maganda. Gandang lugar. Warning, water polluted. No swimming, no wading. Ice is unsafe. Keep safe. Oh, ganda oh. You can hear the duck, sounds of the duck. Tapay ko may, di adungay ti agko ka. Di adu ti agtay tayab mo dagi the seagulls. This is a very beautiful place during summer or winter. I mean summer or spring and even autumn. Pero ngayon dahil wala pang masyadong greeneries, medyo pangit, pero still a worth place to visit. One indication na talagang is already spring pag marami ka na makikitang mga birds really flying in the air. Yun, happy na sila. Ayun oh, kumpul sila. Yun, maririnig mo pa yung kanilang ingay, tapos the reflection on the water. Such a very nice sight to behold and nice sound to hear. Hello! Good afternoon my friends! Pauwi na po kami. Inabot na kami ng buong maghapon dito. Uwi na kami talaga kasi nahuhulog na ang pantalon ko. Naluluslus. Ewan ko baka pumapayat ako o kaya lumuluwang yung aking pantalon. So, the time now is already 6:30. At maliwanag pa rin. Pag winter, talagang madilim na pag ganitong oras. So, hello. So, ito, ganito nga. Still sunny, kahit na ganitong 6:30 na. What's the time, Kajan? 6:37? Oh, 6:47 na daw pala. So, I'm ending this vlog here. At least we lost a lot of pounds sa kalalakad at lumuwang na rin ang garter ng aking pantalon, kaya kami uuwi na po. Sige, see you in my next vlog my dears. Yay. It's almost dark, we're going home. Okay.